Alright guys, you know what day it is. It is Scorebirds swimsuit competition day. Starting up here in a few minutes. Parked over at Miko's, doing my little walk to get down here. Should be a good one. This is the fourth one where we're going to be able to video.
How you doing, Joey?
The last three have been won by the girl from Dollhouse. Let's see if she wins her fourth in a row. That's a feat in itself. But she's got some supporters, and that's why she keeps winning. So hopefully some other people will support some others, and we have a new winner. So let's get inside, let's see what happens. Should be a good one again. Yeah, she's number 11 this time. She's number 11 this time. Uh, 13. Alright, we have 13 contestants this month. We have 168 paying guests that just arrived. 168 paying guests. Here they go. They gotta go get ready. Johnny, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Spain's time. And contestant number 2, 25 years of age, from the city of Tarlac. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Princess Aina Soriano. Contestant number 3, 21 years of age. She stands 5'25", and she has a vital statistics of 32, 26, and 36. And contestant number 4, 27 years of age, 4'11" in height, and she measures 32, 24, and 34. Also from the wonderful province of Samar. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Carmina Oroman.
Man, they got a different energy about themselves this time, you guys. Usually they're pretty reserved, but they're getting a little crazy today. I like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, 29 years of age, 4'11" in height, and she measures 32, 25, and 33. She hails from the beautiful city of Davao. winning gold number DH 583, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Ms. Rosalie Zamora.
So I saw you throwing beads there to number 5 kid.
Yes.
Yeah, you liking her?
Yes, she's very beautiful.
Yeah. Look at everybody. Everybody's been throwing beads here. This has been a better energy show already.
25 years of age, 5'25", and the ship measures 32, 23, and 33. Also from the wonderful province of Samoa, representing Contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Mary Rose de Pancho.
Beads are flying.
Giving you guys our next contestant from our first batch. Contestant number 7, 25 years of age. She stands 5'1" in height and she has a final statistics of 32, 26, and 34. She hails also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, with a gold number DH 389, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Ms. Shakira Enrico. Just give me a number. We'll start the beating at that number. 5 minutes strings coming from first floor from on my right side. It's correct. All right, ladies and gentlemen, second-best contestants of the Surge for Mrs. Scoreboards, a swimsuit competition kicks off with our contestant, number 8. 18 years of age, 5'11" in height, and she measures 32, 25, and 34. From Sudico, representing Lollipop, give it up for Anna Marie Sanguizon. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9. 19 years of age. She stands 5'2" in height and she measures 32, 25, and 34. From the beautiful city of Butuan, when they call number DH 487, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Ms. Laika Pedrosa. On the number 10, 24 years of age, 4'9" in height, and she measures 32, 24, and 34. From Pangasinan, an independent. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Cherry Bulgayo. Stage and contestant number 11, 26 years of age. 5'2" in height and she measures 32, 25, and 36 from the tropical island of Lincoln. Winning code number DH 409, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Amani Corvetto. Contestant number 12, 22 years of age. 5 pound in height and she measures 33, 24, and 34. Also from the tropical island of Lincoln. Representing Lollipop. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Maurice Rosende. Second to the last, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 13, 26 years of age. 5'3" height and she measures 32, 24, and 34. Also from the wonderful province of Samar. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Maribel Missola. Last but definitely not the least, contestant number 14, 19 years of age. She stands 5'2" height and she has a vital statistics of 32, 26, and 34. She hails from the wonderful land of Cardon. Winning code number 561, representing Contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Rachel Big Fella.
I know, same here. I got an extra one somewhere.
Hello, girls.
Subscribe to chubsdubc.
Yeah, you know it. Look at all the tickets.
Yeah, we have a lot of tickets here.
Do you guys count them, or you just accept them and then stamp?
I know we're counting the tickets.
Yeah. How many?
Yes, it's some money.
Yeah. How many you got there? Do you know yet?
We don't know yet.
Okay, that's
Still
all right.
counting, yeah.
I knew there was 168 guests as of a little bit ago, so I'm gonna go find out how many there actually are now. So
Yeah.
good to have you guys on the vlog again.
Okay.
Thank you. See you, girls.
Now we're first side, we have the second guy. And that's the second guy.
Then they count them. I think they count them or weigh them, and then they. All right, what's the final count today?
Final count today, 197.
197. Wow, that's good. That's good. How many last time? Do you guys know? Yeah, 120. Yeah, so quite a few more today. Yeah, and there's a good energy today too.
They're getting rowdier. The people are getting happier. Girls are getting rowdier. Drinks are going down easier. Good. All right. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Every month. It's good to see you guys. You got a shout out, Joey?
Yeah, we chatted Golf Cruise.
Oh, there you go. Edgar and his wife Jeannie. How about you? You got a shout out?
I forgot his name. Yeah, I forgot his name.
All right. What's his face?
That's Michael too. Michael.
Michael. Okay. Oh, good.
It's a card from Hawaii.
Okay.
Big shout out to him.
Yeah. Good, good, good. It's a good day, you guys. It's a good day. Remember John? John just got this marvelous bike wrapped. He showed up for this event. Let's see if we can catch this thing in the right light today. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you still happy?
Yeah.
Still loving it? Oh, here's the angle we need. Oh, yeah. They did a great job. They really did.
I definitely need the driving lights.
Yes.
Because at nighttime, I have to drive with my high beams on now.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Right, because you got the headlamp tinted. If everybody remembers, this has got smoke down there a little bit. I love the new visor, everything on there. Oh, yeah. All right, John.
All right.
Good seeing you again.
Have a good one.
See ya. We gotta show your bike in the sun. Hang on, we gotta turn. Woo! Look at this. Everybody knows Harley Johnny here. The Hawaiian motorcyclist here.
Hey, let me give a shout out. Aloha to my brothers in Hawaii, the Koapunas. Aloha from the Philippines.
Yeah, brother. Is that what your shirts are all the time?
Yeah, Koapuna, bro.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was KOA or Koa.
Yeah.
Koapuna.
It means warrior of the island. Warrior of the land.
I love it. I love it. So shout out to Koapuna guys, riders. This is a motorcycle club.
Yeah, exclusively Hawaiian.
Nice, nice. Did you have a good time, Johnny?
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm coming next month.
Yeah, I'm glad you could make it. I'm really glad you could make it this time. Looks like Keith is trying to escape you guys. Are you leaving?
I can't take anymore.
No? Did you fall in love 5-6 times?
I gotta go take a cold shower.
All right. Good to see you, Keith. Good to see you, Keith. Yeah. What do you got there? Little dinosaurs? Little baby dinosaurs. Oh, cute.
Maybe there's a...
One for Brian, one for Adrian, and two for Ann and I. Wow, nice.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Special shout out to Uncle Adrian. Thank you. And Aunt Susan for showing up. It was so nice of you, Uncle Adrian. We got the hats. I love the hats. I love the golf balls. I will find time to get back out on the golf course soon. I don't plan on losing too many, but with my history, I may end up losing a few. But again, thank you very much, Uncle Adrian. Raymond, thank you for bringing the gifts. Always good to see you, Raymond. Aunt Susan, thank you very much, and so nice to meet you as well. All right, look who's here, you guys. Leon and Shara. Is it Shara? Shara. Okay, Shara. All right, I've never had you guys on the channel, so I wanted to say hi to you guys in person.
Hi, everyone.
You guys can say hi to everybody. Thank you. They're up here on the second floor.
First time.
Yeah? How come you're not competing? I can't get Ann to compete either.
I just only watch and I want to take a look some good
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
So I will choose who's gonna win.
Yes. It's a good show. The buffet is excellent. We come for the buffet. The girls are just extra.
YouTube is Shaira channel, not my.
Yeah.
Shaira have money from YouTube. I am only operator.
Oh, okay. Well, good.
Everybody go! Yeah. What are they doing? Dancing or are they? Here's the finalists, everybody.
Third finalist with a total points of 344. Contestant number 9, Laika Petrosa from the Dollhouse. Contestant number 6, Barry Rose de Pancho. Fifth finalist with a total points of 222. Contestant number 14, Rachel Rivera from Contestants. Sixth finalist with a total points of 186. Contestant number 5, Rosalie Zamora from Dollhouse. And our next finalist with a total points of 182. Contestant number 10, Jeremy Bogayo, an independent.
The third place winner with 566 beats is contestant number 9, Laika Pedrosa. Third place winner. Congratulations.
White Boots is gonna do it. I think she got the gold bead. She got a gold bead, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be announcing the second place winner with 660 beats. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is contestant number 3, Ella Adobas, with 660 beats. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And our first place winner with 865 beats. Our first place winner is contestant number 6, Mary Rose de Pancho. Congratulations, Mary Rose. That's all our winners.
She's been in there quite a few times still. That's good. New winner. Woo!
It's Adrian time.
Alright, shout out to Warwick from UK, shout out to West from Tacoma, Washington State, shout out to Paul and Gary from Sydney, Australia, shout out to Matt Allen from Indiana, shout out to Stephen Peterson from Minnesota, shout out to Rogan and Isabel from Netherlands, shout out to John Allen from Rhode Island, shout out to John from Washington State, shout out to Alan, Jaden, Janela from CDO Philippines, shout out to Dan and Angie from Seattle, Washington State, shout out to Roman Iron from Austin, Texas, shout out to Paul Chapper from Waco, Texas, shout out to John from Temple, Texas, shout out to Mike Cody and Janine from Ontario, Canada, shout out to Edgar and Terry Pineda from Ontario, Canada. Shout out to Big Bang from Texas. Shout out to Pineda from LA, Cali. Shout out to Raider from Northern Cali. Shout out to Mason and Baby Micah from Okinawa, Japan. Shout out to Baby Elijah Abia from Ashburn, Virginia. Shout out to Betty and Betty's Philippine Adventures. Thank you for watching, sports fans.
You got it in. How about you? You got somebody?
Yeah, you told already.
Yeah.
Me
Good.
and my niece.
Okay, good.
Isabel from,
Good.
Netherlands.
Okay.
I heard it.
Hopefully everybody heard that. It was a good one. We had a break in the music. You know Adrian. We got to get Adrian in here. So that's it, you guys. We have a new winner. We're all happy about that. Shara, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you also.
Yes, yes. My voice is I'm losing my voice, you guys. Losing my voice.
Yeah, for sure.
Leon, good to see ya. Where's Georgie? There's Georgie. Georgie! Hello! Yeah.
Georgie!
Yeah. We actually made it all the way through to 6 p.m., you guys. We got the beautiful girls getting the pictures.
Don't be shy.
So that's it. Hit that thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Send a comment. If you like this, think about signing up for the Chub Club if you wouldn't mind. I gotta quit talking. Voice is gone. See you guys in the next one.